Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have done many of the things using many different languages, like we have covered up the Java tutorial series, plus we have also just covered up Android Studio development series, and I hope you're enjoying that video. So today we are uploading that Android Studio series video, and I hope you'll be understanding our lecture 10 which we are covering up. So if you understand this video of Android development studio, remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. So moving forward in this project, I will be telling you what project we are building and how we are building it through Android Studio, what things we will be using in this project. So it will be really helpful for you, and I hope it will be really enjoyable for you as well. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we will be just building this project from start to end in Android Studio development from start. So in today's video, I will be telling you in Android Studio what is audio and media handling. Like in the previous video, we have just learned about embedding video and other stuff, and I hope you understand that. So today in this video, I will be telling you that what is uh, audio and data handling in Android Studio. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that what is audio and data handling in Android Studio. So for working with audio and data handling, you have to just embed anything here. So for just embedding any or data, or for handling any data, you have to first of all write the text of what you are just building. So I will be now writing the text, like here I will be moving, and then I will be writing here data handling. Like this, I will be writing my text or heading, you can say this. So if I press enter, you can see my heading has been changed to data handling, because today we are learning about data handling. So I will be removing this all stuff, because in the previous video when we were just working on embedding videos, I've telling you about that, these all stuff. So today in this video, I will be telling you about what is data handling and how to use this data handling basically. So for building or for using data handling, you have to basically first of all use the fragment container view, which you will be getting in the common palette of Android Studio. So here I will be dragging dropping this, but if you are not having this, means it will be asking for the first or second fragment. So you can also use some of the other widgets which you will be getting here, like image view, web view, video view. So for handling the data, you can use the video view as well. Here you can put any of the video, or you can just style this with your own effects you want to give here, and you can make it more good looking. Like means you can customize it by your own self, like what you like you can make. You can also give it the background color, you can make the text effect here, you can also just give it the effect like you want in your app. So like this you can just do with the data handling, and you can also handle the data using these bars which we are getting, like seek bar, horizontal bar, like this. So I'm just giving you the example here, like this is the image view. You can put one image like this one, I'll be selecting, and this is my background image which I am just getting here through my data handling. So like this you can use data handling in your images, and you can just design it like this. So you can see this, like if I just move here, and if I just do one thing, if I remove this, and if I write here a heading of data handling which is already written. So if I move to my text here, and after moving to the text, I will be dragging simple text view here. After dragging here simple text view, I will be writing user, and then after writing the user here, I will be now just making this user text in means it font size I will be making more bigger. So for making the font size bigger, you can move here in the search box, right here text, so you will be getting here the text size, and from here you can just change your text size you want bigger. So I'll want 20, so I've done the 20. You can see this. Now here I want we should get some image with this user here. So for getting one image, you can move to your common, then move to image view, and after dragging one image view, you will be seeing any of one image. So there are many of the images. You can just also import your own image from any site or from anywhere. Like I want this one image, checkbox background image, so I will be pressing OK, and I will be dragging dropping this image. You can see I'm getting now this image of checkbox, and now you can just make this checkbox here at the back of your user which is written here. Now I will be just doing one thing, I will be making it more smaller so user can handle this data here. So I will be now doing one thing, I will be pressing this, and I will be making this text bigger, because our this logo, or you can say icon, it is also bigger. So I will be making it to 24. You can see now when I press 24, so we are just getting 24 pixel of font size, and this icon has been also styled perfectly. So we are getting both the stuff looking good. Now you can just copy and paste it here, so you can use it with your own stuff you want to use. Like if you want to use it many times with any other thing, you can use it here. Like if you drag and drop here, control Z, control C, control V, you can drag and drop here Then you can just change the text as well in your data handling if you want to change. Like here you can just write, like if I've written user, you can write here user login. Then you can just now directly copy this again, paste it, and after pasting, just you can make it another time down like this. And when you will be just making it down, just move here again, do the same thing here as well. And I will be just doing one thing here, like I will be making the change here as well. Like I will be changing this text to auth, means authentication, which is the short form of that. Now you can see I am getting three data handles. One is called user data handling, second one is login data handling, and our third handling is called auth data handling. Means we are getting all the three data handles which we want here. So you can just use this data handles here in your project. So I've not make this data handling, but I've given you the example how you can use data handling in your project. So these are the methods you can use with the help of user, with the help of login authentication, or with the help of normal authentication which we get in our project. You can also use switch as well if you want to use here. Like if I move and if I just take this switch here like this, and if you want to just write any text here, like I will be writing auth, or you can say dark mode, like in the previous video I've telling you this thing. So here you can just make this here, and then you can just make it bigger as well if you want to make it, or you can just set it size here. You can also just set the size on what you want and on off what you want. So you can just put these all stuff as well if you want to put in this. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be just I will be making it in the center. So our this switch also will be in center, and our all these stuff which we have written because of data handling should also be in center of our page. Now you can see we are getting our user login authentication, which is our data handles, and then down we are getting one dark mode switch which you can use in your authentication when you will be linking the data, or when you will be linking any page here. So when you will be opening this, so here you will be getting a dark mode, means your background will be changing to black. If you want to use some of the other things here, which are the containers, you can use here. If you want to give some things in that or some effects, you can use these containers here as well. And you can also use the Google Maps if you want to view some of the thing, but you have to just download some you can say some extra extensions for this map when you are using, or when you are using ads. So you have to download some extra extension which can take some space. So you have to just remember that you should be having enough space, so you can download these extensions of map view and ad view, because when we'll be moving in the future projects, so we'll be needing these all things here, which is really important in our projects. So I hope you understand about data handling, and we have also understand about like what is video and data handling in, or you can say audio and data handling in Android Studio. And I hope your concept is clear about data handling. You can use user login authentication to handle the data of the user. So if you have understand this video of data handling plus audio handling as well, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So I'll be building up more these projects, and I hope that will be helpful and that will be giving you help. So just I'll be meeting next project. So for today, goodbye.